No, use both hands at the same time like this. And bounce. Yeah.
The people want to know. Can we get an a whoop? Thank you.
If you're gonna come in, at least close the door.
Thank you.
Sit. Give me paw. Give me other paw. Lay down. Speak. Good boy.
Hey, who was it? Hey, don't.
Do you love me?
I love you.
Oh, thank you.
I love you.
Okay.
No bite.
Will you be my Valentine?
What?
Where's the apple?
Let's go tell Daddy to stop working. Come on.